Are you tired of your washing machine breaking down right when you need it most? Don't worry. Help is just a call away. At Ben Jr. Electrical and Electronic Washing Machine Repair Services, we bring your washing machine back to life. Fast, reliable, and affordable. From noisy spin cycles to power faults, we fix all brands and models. Our expert technicians handle both electrical and electronic issues with precision and care. Don't waste time. Call Ben Jr. Electrical and Electronic Services today and get your laundry running smoothly again. Call or WhatsApp us now at 08175-31568 or find us on Facebook at Ben Jr. Electrical and Electronic Services. Ben Jr. Electrical and Electronic Services, keeping your home appliances working so life never stops spinning.